Hello students, in the last video I have discussed some important topics with you. Today I am going to discuss some multiple choice questions. This is an important part of your question paper. There are 15 marks allotted to this section. So some questions that can come here. So the property that what you have to do is only write the number and the corresponding alphabet. Number and alphabet, no need to copy the words. Okay. Property that gradually decreases across a period is, which one decreases here? IP and all this, only atomic size decreases, the others are increasing. So this is the answer. Properties that gradually change from one end to the other end of the periodic table are known as A. Periodic properties. An element whose atom loses one electron and forms unit positive cation is likely to be halogens gain electron, alkaline earth metals have two valence electron, noble gases no change of electron, alkali metals is the answer, which will lose one electron and form unit positive cation. And the next question we have here is an example of a compound whose molecule has a lone pair of electrons. Understand, see, give meaning to the words that are in the question. Compound, so that means this is out of choice. This is an element, cannot be in there. So only you have three choices here. Carbon tetrachloride is compound, but there is no lone pair. Water has lone pair, methane no lone pair. So water is the answer. Then which one of the following is a strong electrolyte? Strong electrolyte. Sodium chloride. Sodium chloride means no state is mentioned. That means it is in its natural state, which is solid. Solid form, no conduction, non-electrolyte. Dilute, yes, dilute hydrochloric acid is a strong acid. It has a very high concentration of hydronium ions. It will conduct strong electrolyte. Ammonium hydroxide is weak. Glucose is non-electrolyte. It is a covalent compound. Which of the following furnish hydronium ions as the only positive charge here? Means acid. The definition of acid. Which one is an acid here? It is hydrogen chloride. Ammonia is alkali. Carbon tetrachloride is an organic substance. Oxygen is a gas. Hydrogen chloride. In aqueous solution, yeah, hydrogen chloride dissolved in water is hydrochloric acid, correct. Which one of the following consists of ions only? Ions only, we have studied ions only means it's a strong electrolyte. Acetic acid is weak, not. Ammonium hydroxide is weak, no. Molten sodium chloride, yes. This will have only sodium ions and chloride ions. Lime water is weak, right. Which of the following will turn red litmus to blue? Means alkaline. It is lime water. Calcium hydroxide. Lemon juice is citric acid. Vinegar is acid, acetic acid. Dilute milk is also lactic acid. So they are all acidic. So this is only lime water is calcium hydroxide, right? Then which one of the following has a coordinate bond in it? Ammonia has lone pair, no coordinate bond. Water also has lone pair, no coordinate bond. Hydronium ion, yes, it is hydronium ion where a proton has combined. Glucose is covalent compound. Number 10, which gas can turn acidified potassium dichromate solution to green? Should be sulfur dioxide. Yes, it is here. Then an unbonded pair of electrons present in the valence shell of an atom involved in covalent bonding. This is the definition of lone pair. So where is lone pair? It is lone pair, not lonely pair, no octet pair and no valence electrons. Okay. Right, which gas is evolved when corn sulfuric acid reacts with sodium chloride? Sodium chloride, corn sulfuric is a non-volatile acid. Hydrogen chloride, yes, it is hydrogen chloride. Then a solution reacts with a piece of magnesium, okay, to liberate hydrogen. Active metal, acids, it should be a dilute acid. So pH should be less than 7. Yeah, it is less than 7. 7, more than 7, 14. No, it is less than 7. It is an acid because it liberates hydrogen when reacted with the magnesium or a metal, active metal. Number 14. Name the substance that reacts with calcium nitride to give ammonia. Calcium nitride reacts with cold water. Yeah, it's water here. Yes, solution A reacts with sodium hydroxide solution to give a salt and water. Sodium hydroxide is alkali. Salt and water is coming means A is acid. Yeah, it's an acid. Then which substance reacts with dilute nitric acid to give nitrogen monoxide? NO. Nitrogen monoxide. Dilute nitric and copper. Yes. Then aqueous solution of a salt turns blue litmus to red, means acidic. So what kind of salt is it? Acid salt. Okay. Which of the following is not a property of corn sulfuric acid? Corn sulfuric acid is oxidizing, correct? It is not reducing. This is not a property. Dehydrating, non-volatile, these are correct. Reducing is not there. Number 19. What will you observe if ammonium hydroxide solution is added to copper 2 sulfate solution in small quantities? Okay, no excess. Cardi white paint, no. Brown PPT, no. Green shallow gas, no. Whitish blue PPT. Copper hydroxide will be formed. Number 20. Sulfuric acid forms two types of salts with sodium hydroxide. Yeah, that is right. This means that it is a dibasic energy. Yes, it is dibasic acid. Okay. Then which gas is evolved when a strong solution of sodium hydroxide reacts with zinc? Zinc is an amphoteric metal, reacts with sodium hydroxide. Yes. Will liberate hydrogen. Yes. This metal is so light that it floats on water. Sodium and potassium. Yes, potassium is here. Then this is an alloy of two metals. Okay. It fuses at a very low temperature. Solder. Fuse metal. The next question. A sample of gas has a vapor density of 24. Okay. Vapor density into 2 is equal to molecular weight. What is the molecular mass? Twice the vapor density. Vapor density is 24. So molecular mass will be 2 into 24, 48. The ratio of mass of certain volume of gas at STP to the mass of same volume of hydrogen at STP, that is vapor density, is known as vapor density. Right. A hydrocarbon having a carbon-carbon double bond, that is alkene, is known as alkenes. Or alkene is here? No. The other name of alkene is olefin. It is correct. Then 27. What will be the mass of 0.2 moles of water? Oh, molecular mass of water. Hydrogen is 1, means 2 hydrogens are there, so 2. And oxygen is 16, so 16 and 2, 18 is the molecular mass. Okay. What will be the mass of 2 moles of water? Number of moles is equal to mass upon molecular mass. Number of moles here is 0.2 is equal to mass. What is the mass? So mass upon molecular mass is 18. So mass is equal to, bring it this side, 0.2 into 18. So it will be 3.6. Yeah, this one is the correct answer. So work out and write the answer. Don't go by your brain. Okay. Right. Then 28. The electrolytic cell used for the electrolysis of molten lead bromide. Electrolytic cell used for is made up of silica. During the electroplating of an article with nickel, oxidation takes place at? Oxidation always takes place at anode, anywhere, anytime. Okay. And then 30. Hematite is an ore of, hematite is iron. Then a metal oxide that cannot be reduced by conventional reducing agent. Sodium, potassium, aluminium, the top ones. Aluminium oxide is here. Copper, zinc, and these are reduced. Okay. Aluminium oxide. The next question. Bauxite is concentrated by? Concentration is not by Hoops process, not by Hall-Herold, not by Oswald, is not at all related. Bayer's process, that is concentration. The industrial process involved in the extraction of aluminium from its ore. Extraction is Hall-Herold's process. Yeah. Then an alloy used for making shaving blades should be stainless steel. Yeah, it is here. Amalgamated zinc is used in making amalgam, zinc plate coated with mercury, dry cells. Yeah, so I think you understood this. There are a number of questions possible in this manner from any topic. So practice this type of questions also, because that can fetch you marks. 15 marks provided to you in your paper is multiple choice question. I hope this was useful to you. Thank you for watching.